and tore my mind. Now every rising wave just comes unwound. Slowly I can see
what I am meant to be. Inside your little world I never did mean anything.
Never raise my voice against you, only heartbreak shining through. Pages turning show the ending that I knew.
All those tender lines never once were mine. I don't wanna fight who's wrong or who's right this time.
Turns out that your heart never held my name. Maybe letting go is one way to break the chain.
Love that spent all time was doomed to fade away.
From this crowded mortal world, I'll just smile and walk away. Turns out that your heart never held my name. Won't keep chasing down every cause and every blame. All those buried scars burn out like falling stars. Cutting through these ties, I won't stay in the dark.
Never once did I accuse you, only watch the cold shine through.
The lines between us spell the ending I once knew. Every promised word now just sounds absurd. I don't wanna argue who was wounded, who was hurt. Turns out that your heart never held my name. Maybe letting go is one way to break the chain. Love that spent all time was doomed to fade away. From this crowded mortal world, I'll just smile and walk away. Turns out that your heart never held my name. Won't keep chasing down every cause and every blame. All those buried scars burn out like falling stars. Cutting through these ties, I won't stay in the dark. Those buried scars burn out like falling stars. Cutting through these ties, I won't stay in the dark.